And you just got a little look at one of my favorite stores, and Leah Lytle, owner of Artsy Abode.
Hello.
Hello. And when I first found out, when you visited us last, that this was a local company, I was like, you are amazing. That is so, I don't think a lot of people knew that. And that's one more reason to support Artsy Abode.
Thank you. Yeah, so we live here, we work here, we play here, we shop here, we go to school here. So
you
everything
know
we
the
do,
area.
We do, and we support local companies too, and that's just so important today.
And one thing I want to say about that is, you know what's hot, not just in summer, but in Florida.
Right.
And we're going to get to a few really trendy things you need to know when you're building your summer wardrobe. But first, let's start out with some of the eye-catching little mermaids I see over here, because I know that you can MerMake your summer at Artsy Abode.
Absolutely. So mermaids are hot, and little girls to, to everyone loves mermaids, and everyone wants to be a mermaid. So what we tried to do is we really put together an amazing assortment, and believe it or not, we actually have a store in St. Augustine that is entirely mermaids, called So Mermazing on St. George Street and King Street. But this collection right here is from MudPie, and look at this cute little, we have a whole swim collection,
it is
and daywear collection, and then of course they can get their little matching mermaid doll that we have so many of these. We have hundreds of these little dolls in different colors, so they're fantastic.
And the little guys on top?
Yeah. Well, if a mermaid wasn't enough, this is a mermicorn. So, yeah, of course, it's because unicorns are hot too. So it's combining a unicorn with a mermaid.
And why not?
Exactly.
That's my main thing. Okay, well, then, as long as we're on the subject of little mermaids, this is a little skirt that the little girls.
Can you imagine?
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. So this is 3T and up, so we could probably wear this.
Yeah, on each leg. One on each leg.
Yeah. That'd be cute.
You mentioned a couple of brands over here,
Sure.
Leah, but you also carry, well, we know you carry Pandora and all of these great brands, but these other things we're looking at the table are brand name items.
Absolutely. So this is Spartina, and they are fabulous, and they're real synonymous with Southern style as well. So we have an entire boutiques. We have boutiques of Spartina in our store. What I'm showing here is this is the Florida collection. People love Florida. We love Florida. We love summer, and this is a fantastic crossbody. This is the tote. We also have it larger, and we have this in scarves, and we have it in towels. So what a perfect way to go to the beach, with a towel that has Florida. And what I wanted to show you specifically right here is, look, there's Jacksonville.
Oh, look, there we are.
And there's St. Augustine. So we love that. We just love it.
And this is the part where we're going to really let you in on a style trend that is huge.
Yeah. So, from the 80s,
I remember.
Yeah, I remember the 80s. So Jack Rogers, huge brand, and what they brought is they brought back the jelly shoe.
So comfortable.
Yeah. So, and what's so great too, we've got it in rose gold, we've got it in black, and they're glittery. They're glittery, they're sparkly, they're fabulous, and of course summer stripes. What's so fabulous about these Jacks is they are under $50, so you can get a few pair.
And rose gold, you told us the last time you were here.
It is the hottest.
So hot.
So hot.
And seafoam is very, very hot as well.
It is. So we're showing you kind of our best sellers here, so you got to run in and grab those.
So you have all these great brands, and then there's another one that is exclusive just to Artsy Abode, keeping with a mermaid theme. First, let's look at a little video.
Sure.
Artsy Abode, are you going to find these sassy, cute, fun t-shirts?
Absolutely. So Mermaid brand is exclusive to us, and that was actually filmed in St. Augustine. Isn't that cool?
I love it.
Yeah, and so we love these shirts. They are hot. They fly off the shelves. In summer, you got to be casual in the summer, and these shirts are great. And they're also funny, and they're just fabulous. So we've got 4 of our best designs here. The Mermaid collection also comes in jewelry. It comes in hats. It comes in drinkware, everything you can ever imagine. So we love it.
We love mermaids, and you'll get everything you need at Artsy Abode. Plus, a couple of specials we want to mention while we have you here. Pandora.
Huge. It is the free bracelet event. They've never done this before for Memorial Day. It is the free bracelet event, meaning you spend $100, you get a free $75 limited edition bracelet.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
It's amazing.
That's a
amazing.
great way to start off because you could do
Yes.
the $100 in charms and
Yeah.
Okay,
yes.
easy.
And you got to get gifts.
Yes.
And don't forget graduations. Everything.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And then store-wide you have something.
We are. So because Pandora is doing a sale, we said, let's do a sale too. So we have 20% off store-wide. And of course, see store for details.
Okay, well, see Artsy Abode not just for details, but for all things summer and fun, gifts, fashion. 21 locations, 9 of them right here in town, plus the 2 stores in St. Augustine you mentioned.
Mermaid. So amazing.
So, okay, thank you for coming. Come back often and bring more of this eye-catching, wonderful stuff. And please, in our sizes next time.
I know.
We are going to wear these, Leah. Thank
we
you
are.
so much. At artsyabode.com?
Yeah.
Okay.